Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the out-of-balance switch in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a putty knife and a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Using the putty knife, release the two retaining clips securing the washer's main top. Lift up the top and disconnect the lid lock assembly wire connector. You can now fully remove the main top. Have an assistant help you to lift and support the front of the appliance. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two screws securing the washer's front panel to the base. With the screws unthreaded, remove the support, then push the panel down to fully remove. Next, unthread the two mounting screws securing the out-of-balance switch and bracket to the support panel. Detach the lid lock assembly wire from the bracket. Depress the tabs to release the pressure sensor from the bracket. Now pull the retaining clips outward to release the out-of-balance switch. You can now disconnect the wires to fully remove the old component. To install the new out-of-balance switch, first connect the wires to the terminals. Now snap the switch into place on the bracket. To reinstall the assembly, snap the pressure sensor into position and secure the wire in the notch in the bracket. Secure the lid lock assembly wire in the appropriate notch in the bracket as well. Align the bracket on the support panel, then thread the mounting screws to secure. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the tabs on the panel with the slots in the frame. Then lift the panel up until the top edge aligns with the top of the frame. Support the front of the appliance. Then replace the two lower screws to secure the panel. Remove the support. Reinstall the washer's main top by first reconnecting the lid lock wire connector. Secure the wire in the retaining clip. Now slide the rear of the main top under the rear retaining clips. Then realign the main top and push down to snap it into position. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.